హలో అందరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? నేనైతే చాలా బాగున్నాను. ఈరోజు అయితే స్క్వామిష్ రివర్ రాఫ్టింగ్ బయలుదేరాము. దీని కాస్ట్ వచ్చేసి $135 $105 అనమాట. ఈ రివర్ రాఫ్టింగ్ కావాల్సిన వాటర్ షూస్ అండ్ ప్యాంట్స్ అండ్ లైఫ్ జాకెట్ అన్నీ వీళ్ళే ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు. రాఫ్టింగ్ తీసుకెళ్లే ముందు ఈ గియర్ ఎలా వేసుకోవాలి, వాట్స్ ద రైట్ వే టు వేర్ అని అన్నీ చెప్తుందనమాట. సో సెక్యూరిటీ ప్రికాషన్స్ కూడా చెప్తారనమాట, వాట్ టు డూ, వాట్స్ నాట్ టు డూ అని.
All right. The key with the booties is that you want to put the leg over top. All right. So then that kind of keeps too much water from pooling inside too fast. All right. You're gonna get water in there though, so no big deal. Awesome. That's it for our wetsuits. As for what to wear underneath, bathing suits are good. Any like wool or synthetic layers are good as well if you choose to do that. You can go commando if you want, but I just suggest checking your wetsuits for inopportune holes. Okay. One thing I don't want to see is any cotton. All right, like no cotton t-shirts, no cotton underwear underneath the wetsuits, no cotton socks as well.
Polyester underwear is okay.
Sorry, polyester underwear is great. Yeah, so just cotton will make you more cold when it gets wet.
I want to use it and I put a plastic bag. Do you think I can make it?
Do you have a strap for your wrist for that?
I can hold like that.
So my other thing that I do tend to say during this little spiel I'm giving you guys right now is that as for what to bring on the raft, my rule of thumb is the more expensive and cherished something is, the faster it sinks. So unless it's attached to your body, I recommend not bringing it. We do not have pockets on these or the wetsuits. All right, so it's up to you. If it does fall in the river, all we're gonna do is laugh at you, okay? So that's up to you.
Okay.
And we're going to be rowing too.
We're
right?
gonna be paddling, and we do have Richard somewhere who's gonna be taking pictures of us as we go.
They do video too or just
They
pitch?
don't do video, unfortunately. But yeah, so we will be paddling. If you're looking to get video of any action shots, I'm gonna need you paddling for that. So you will not be able to hold onto your camera. There might
Okay.
be some like slower sections where I'll be like, yeah, sure, you can take it out. But there will also be some slower sections where I'm gonna need you guys like on the ball because it's gonna be like this. So again, up to you. Best driver here at the company here, awarded to him this past Monday at our staff awards. He's also a very talented kayaker and guitar player and singer. Yeah. All right, we've also got Zachariah over here. Zachary Shantz.
First try.
I did it. So Zach started raft guiding and kayaking on the Ottawa River in Ontario.
Wow.
But he came over here to show us his talents. He's been at our company for 3 years now, Zach? Or this is his third year here. Very lucky to have Zach here. Zach also is a talented kayaker. And what's one more fun fact about you, Zach? I'm also from the Vancouver area, from New Westminster. This is my second year raft guiding and my first year kayaking. And it's been a lot of fun. And we'll continue that. Just like the meeting. All right. Have you rafted or canoed before?
Never.
And can you swim?
No.
Okay. And what's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
That's a hard choice.
Okay.
Strawberry with vanilla.
Oh yeah, sounds good. All right, give it up for Robbie. Is it Rob B or Rob V?
Ravi.
V.
V.I.
Rob V. Okay, awesome. Cool. Not a problem that you can't swim. That's all good. All right. And what's your name? I'm Nicole. Hi, Nicole.
Hi, Nicole.
Hi. Have you rafted or canoed?
Yes, I have.
Nice.
I rafted like we did like some lazy rivers and stuff.
Okay.
Canoed, kayaked quite a bit. Yeah.
Awesome. Can you swim?
I can't swim.
Perfect. And what's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
Classic chocolate chip cookie dough.
Nice. All right. Hard to go wrong. All right. Give it up for Nicole. All right. And what's your name?
I'm Alex.
Alex. Hi.
Hi, Alex.
All right. Have you rafted or canoed?
Yes, but the one time I did canoe, I flipped it. So
Okay. That's
go for
fine.
that today.
It's harder to flip a raft. All right.
Don't doubt
It's a
me.
group effort for that one.
Hi, Chase.
Have you rafted or canoed? Yes. Sweet. Can you swim? Yes. All right, and your favorite flavor of ice cream?
I like
Ooh, nice.
I know. If you like, I don't know the series up this way.
Okay.
But it's so good.
Nice. All right, give it up for Chase. Sweet. And last but not least,
My name's Connie.
Connie. Hi, Connie.
Hey, Connie.
Yeah. Have you rafted or canoed?
Yes.
Nice. And can you swim?
Yes.
And your favorite flavor of ice cream?
Butter pecan.
Butter pecan. Oh, too easy. All right, give it up for Connie.
Man, everybody swim. I'm the only one.
Oh, that's okay. We take non-swimmers all the time. Yeah, the life jackets are high flotation, so that's all good. Okay, so Ravi, Nicole, Alex, Chase, and Connie. All right, too easy. Okay,
Right up the
cool.
road from us in Tennessee is where they had white water Olympics.
Oh, really? That's so cool. That's awesome. Cool. So we're just heading through historic Brackendale right now. It's still technically Squamish. Brackendale's kind of.
I have checked you all. There's 5. I can keep track of 5. You may come get a paddle.
Can we go down now?
Yep.
Cool.
Thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe. Bye bye.